camshaft position code.
Did you find out, Glam?
If it looks...
Welcome back. In the last video, we tore this N20 engine out of the cheapest Facebook Marketplace F30 you could find. And today, we're gonna see if she can be saved, or if we're at the mercy and need to purchase another engine. So today, essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seeing if this engine is savable or what the best options are. And you might be wondering yourself, should I rebuild my N20 engine? Or what's the best option for me? Well, don't worry. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you and explain to you what exactly the best option is. This is a leak down tester, and this is going to tell us the condition of the piston rings and the valves in the cylinder head. And basically, if this gauge stays in the green range, we know that the engine has good compression. This is a $70 Amazon leak down tester, so just work with me while I... Oh, and this kind of hurts, but as you can see, cylinder number 3 is okay. So this is also very good news. See here that cylinder number 2 is good. This is also very good news. Oh, there you go. That is a piece of the timing chain. It's probably the perfect size to block off the oil pump pickup. Really what I'm doing, holding this timing chain up, I noticed, so this guy, you can see it has that side to side movement. That would be number 2. Number 3 is tight. I'm predicting that the cylinder number 3 is probably locked up. Right, the moment of truth. It's quite literally delaminated itself. Finally, that leaves us to our last point. Is this N20 engine even worth rebuilding? The answer is prowled and prowled the markets, searching for the best possible deal. And I am no stranger to finding the best deals, as I did with this F30. So you can be sure that this baby right here was a steal. So the better option realistically, in my mind, is to source a complete used engine. And what we can do then is we can sell, for example, the block, the cylinder head, and all these components that we know are still in good condition in hopes to recoup some of our costs. I was able to source a complete N20 engine with all accessories for $1,800. That's right, you heard me. 1,800 Canadian dollars. And it gets better. I was actually able to go see this engine run in the car before I pulled it. So before I slapped this baby in, I figured I might as well remove the valve cover and just make sure the timing chain is in good condition. And even though this engine supposedly has the revised timing chain, it unfortunately still does need a timing chain, and we'll get to that right away. As you can see, this is the donor engine, and this is the old engine that failed with rod bearing failure. Basically, this engine spun rod bearing number 3, and the reason it spun the bearing was because pieces of these plastic timing chain guides broke off and blocked off the oil pump pickup tube, which then caused the number 3 bearing to spin and to seize up due to really the lack of oil. And if you look way down here, you can actually see that there is 2 little tangs right there that are broken off. Now, those are just little pieces. The pieces I found are big, and I have no idea where they're from, but that is a sign that the timing chain has failed on this engine. And we also found really large pieces of the timing chain guide in the oil pan. So this donor engine also has a broken timing chain guide. Now, it ran good, so we went ahead and ordered the timing chain parts to repair this engine. We're gonna do the timing chain on this engine. Alright guys, it is all buttoned up. I went ahead and primed the oil system with the coil packs unplugged. We coated the injectors, and now we're going to go for the first start, and we're going to see if it starts or if it blows up. I guess we'll see what happens here. Get the battery all charged up. So key on. Shut the heater off. Okay. Okay, check engine light. I think that's normal. Let's see. Sounds pretty good. Oh yeah. All right, on a nice cold engine. Just get in her. Wow. Next up, the Italian tune-up, baby. Let's go all the way there. That's where we're going, right to 7. Oh, pardon me. Yeah, we're taking her right to 7,000, boys. Probably just a little bit down under there. We got an N20 here, fucking good runner, and fucking scored a whole trans